Hi, my name is Kate, and I'm one of our lead designers at Leapin Lizard Labels, and today I'm going to show you how to outline your text on your labels so that when you send us your artwork, everything prints perfectly for us the first time. Let's just dive right into it. Here we have some editable text fields that I'll be showing you how to outline today. And first of all, I want to tell you why it's important to outline all of your text. So we have two text fields here, and you can tell that they're editable text fields because when you click on them, there is a bit of an underline under all of the text. And so I can go in, I can click on everything, I can add new text if I want to, but I'm going to bring us back to our branding here. And so all of this text as we have it is editable, which is really great for if you need to edit your text to your labels, if you need to make any changes. But once you have everything all set up and all of your text is correct and perfect and everything looks right, outlining your text is super important and helpful for us for printing. And I will show you why. So here we have two editable text fields with different fonts. And there is always the chance, there's a lot of fonts out there in the world, we might not have this exact font. So if we are sent over labels that have editable text fields, but we don't happen to have a certain font, your labels might come to us looking a bit like this. So if you ever see any text with a pink background like this and the text just doesn't look the way you set it up, that means that there was a font that your computer did not have. So my computer here does not have this particular font installed. And unless we are sent over that font, there's usually not a way for us to be able to get that font. So it's very important to outline your labels. I'm going to go back to our corrected text here. It's important to outline your labels so that everything looks exactly how you intended it to, and it's ready to go for printing. So outlining your fonts is super easy. All you have to do is highlight all of the text that you want to outline. And you're going to go up to this top bar, select the type option, and go to Create Outlines. So when I click that, you could tell something changed. And all of the text still looks the same. It looks exactly how we had it, which is great. But if we go and we click on our text, now that blue line underneath all of our text is gone, but all of our individual letters are outlined with that blue line. So if I go in and I click on each individual letter, it is now its own shape. So this letter is actually no longer a letter to our Illustrator program here. It is just another shape like a triangle or a star. So we can make it larger, we can move it around if we want to, but we can no longer edit this text. Another way that you can outline all of your fonts, you can highlight everything that you want to outline, and you can use the shortcut Control-Shift-O to do that same thing. So now all of this text, every little letter is its own shape, and so when you send your labels over, there's no chance of any fonts dropping out. Everything will look exactly how you intended it to, and these will print perfectly.